Hello and welcome to BoneSlicers Unreal Tournament 3 Outdoor Water Tutorial Part 4. As you can see, we started on our group here, which is our A group, and we've finished adding what we're going to add to the A group, but we need to change a couple things here. First of all, up on our add, we need to highlight that, and in the description there, this connects to group B, so we're going to type that in there in the description. Connects to group B. Okay. So once we've done that, at the very beginning actually, here's what we're going to do. This is actually group A, so we're going to type GA and space. Alright, now hit enter. This is group A, but it actually connects to group B. Alright, we're going to highlight each one of these. And the texture coordinates is, we want to type group A in there. So I can get this. There we go. GA space, hit enter. On the multiplier, same thing. Just type GA. We'd like to keep a track of what groups all these are in, just so we don't get ourselves mixed up, which can very easily be done. Alright, it's group A. Just come down to our constant. I didn't do this at first. I was kind of rushing, and I usually do this at the end most of the time anyway. Alright. Alright. GA. So just change every one of them to group A. That way you'll know. Okay, let's see here. Now, we're going to change a couple things also in our panner. When you type group A, also we're going to copy this on the speed X, and we're going to type, after RGA, we're going to type X and just space and paste that in there, and then hit space again and type Y. Now copy the Y speed and paste that in there. This is kind of valuable too, and then hit enter. Now if you look up there, you'll see all the information that you have for that particular panner is there. Your group A, your Y speed, your X speed, and your Y speed is there, so you can visually see it. And I'm a visual person. I like to see what's going on. So we want to do the same thing for the lower panner also. Whatever's in there, we're going to type group A, just like before, space, and this is going to be X space. Then we'll copy our X speed, paste it in there, hit space, type Y, copy our Y speed, paste it in there, and hit enter. Okay, there you go. That looks pretty good. Alright, we want to do the same thing with your texture coordinates. You see it's 20,000, so this is group A. Again, space, and just they're both the same on the U and V tiling, so just copy it in there one time, hit enter, and we want to do the same thing for the bottom one. GA space, and the tiling is going to be 30,000. Paste it right on in there, hit enter. Okay, there you go. Now we're set there. Temporarily, I'm going to take this, plug it back into the diffuse, and as you can see, there's not a whole lot going on anymore because we've changed a lot of things. So it's not pretty, so far, but that's what we have. And you can see it's showing you the texture, my package, water normal. That's what we're using right here. And you can see could not determine result of type of component and mask. And they're talking about here. Now if we take, and this is the black channel, which is red, green, blue, and we'll get that in a few minutes. But for now, let me just, okay, you'll notice here, you notice I have R and G only on your component mask. Okay, that means, let's go ahead and click the top mask and click R and click G. That's what we're going to use. And the same for the bottom component mask. Click R and click G. That's what we're going to use only. Now that we had that done, let's go ahead and click the check mark up top and update everything we've done so far. And for now, this is what kind of look we get. And we've got a ways to go still, so we're a long ways off. Alright, let's left click on our package here, and let's make sure we update that. So click File, Save. Okay, now we got that saved. And of course, this is far off from looking like water right now, but we have our notes in there, and we could, if we want to, just on the texture sample here, let's go ahead and click that, and after the GA, we can type in water normal, or just, matter of fact, doesn't have to be uppercase, it's lowercase. And hit enter. Alright, and I want to copy this and go to our next one. Highlight it, and go in there and paste that in there and hit enter. So now on our water normals, you'll know that that's your water normal texture sample, just so you'll have it in there. So now you have a little something and everything, so you'll understand what's going on. And they're all group A's. Everything says group A, so you won't get confused. So this will conclude part 4 of the outdoor water tutorial. Thank you for watching.